Hey guys, Chlorine King here. I'm going to show you quickly how to program the Jandy iQPump. It's very easy and intuitive. Any variable speed pump Jandy makes, this controller will control. And I'm going to show you both how to do it via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi gives you the ability to control the pump remotely. You could be in Tokyo and control the pump. Bluetooth is good. If you can't get the username and password from the client and you need to make changes, you can log in via Bluetooth and make changes temporarily while you're there. Settings will stick, of course, but you can't go and monitor it remotely. So the first thing you want to do is connect to the pump. So the first thing you want to do is hit the Wi-Fi button on the iQPump itself. Then you want to go over here to settings, and it's going to pull up the VS pump. Click on that. Once you see the check mark, you're good to go. Let's roll over here to the iAqualink app. Then you want to click the plus button in the top right hand corner, iQPump, and you want to do Wi-Fi to phone because that's what we just did. Go ahead and click steps 1, 2, 3 complete because we already connected to the controller through the phone. From here, we want to click on this, and it's going to take us to our time zone. I'm in New York, so click on that. Now, here's where you make all the changes to the minimum, max, time run, priming, all that fun stuff. So right now it's on minimum. So we can change that to 1500 for instance. I mean, these aren't numbers I actually use. This is just the sake of showing you how it all works. Let's click on maximum, and we can do 3000 for instance. Now you can use either the slide bar over here or the plus or minus, and that'll adjust the speeds for you. Quick clean, let's do that at a half an hour, for instance, at 2500. And then just keep going through settings. Timed run, we'll do that. You know, if you want to run for 24 hours, if you're cleaning a green pool or whatever, you can change it, do whatever you want. We'll just do 12 hours. So anytime you hit time run on the iQ controller, it'll run for that specific time and override any program during that time. Let's go to freeze protect. This is to protect if you're up in colder climates, to make sure the pipes don't freeze, have the pump turn on when certain temperatures are reached. Priming, you know, you can do any number you want. Generally 3000 is a good number to stick with, and 3 minutes to 5 minutes, what have you. Make your choices and then click next. Now, this is a situation where if you have the username and password to the Wi-Fi network, you go ahead and click next. Or if you want to just continue making your schedule changes through Bluetooth, you're going to hit skip up in the top right-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and hit next. Click on the network that the client is on, enter their password, click done. And now what you're going to notice is the LAN and the WAN on the box on the iQPump is going to light up as it's connecting, which is exactly what we want. And then we can change the name of the box so we know who controller we have access to. And then we can make ourselves the primary user so we can monitor it remotely. And then this window here is where you want to add you know, your invites to your users. So we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. Now, that Wi-Fi sequence we just went through is the same exact thing as Bluetooth from here on forward. So the only difference between what we just did in the Bluetooth way is connecting one or the other. So now we're here at the main screen. The first thing I like to do is change the schedules. So let's go to edit schedule. And so I'll go ahead and click into this. And I normally name this vacuum speed because most clients have a vacuum here. Or you can name it fast speed or whatever. And then you're just going to move it to whatever you want it to be at. And then starts at 8 a.m. And then I generally run the vacuum or the fast speed, whichever, until about noontime. And then we'll go ahead and click save. And then if you want to turn it on, you can go ahead and do that. Now, with it being 125, nothing's going to happen. So let's go ahead and add our second schedule. We're going to name this slow speed or whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to do 1850, for instance. We're going to start this at noon when the old one kicks off. And we're going to run this till 10 p.m. just for demonstration purposes. All right, so now the pump should be on. Let's go back to the main schedule. And now you see up here on the top, pump is priming. Shows you the power, usage, and all that fun stuff. It tells you when your next schedule is going to be, what schedule is currently running, and then obviously you can stop the system if you want. If you got to empty the pump basket or whatever the case may be, you can hit custom speed, you know, so then you can go like that, hit start, and then it's going to start its system back up, and then also start counting down. You see the pump's priming again. So normally you just go ahead and hit on auto, and it's going to run the systems based on what you have over here. So that is how you set up the iQ pump from start to finish. Very simple. And if you like this video, definitely like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for the support on Patreon and everything you guys do. And stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day. Don't forget to check out my friend Robert's YouTube channel, Clean Pool and Spa. Full of great information will surely help you take care of your pool. Link is below in the description.